Threat to biodiversity. Dependence on biodiversity resources. Traditional and substantial dependence on biodiversity resources for fodder, fuelwood, timber, and minor forest produce has been an accepted way of life for the rural population that accounts for nearly 74% of India's population. With radical demographic changes, the land-to-man ratio and forest-to-man ratio has rapidly declined. The lifestyles and the biomass resource needs having remained unchanged, limited forest cover is under relentless pressure of encroachment for cultivation and unsustainable resource extraction, which might result in fast depletion of biodiversity. Unsound development strategies. Coupled with these incongruities and aberrations in land use, the unsound development strategies have led to increasing threats to biodiversity resources by way of illegal encroachment of forest for industrial development, diversion of forest for river valley projects, power generation projects, townships, transmission lines, and roads. The creation of valley bottom reservoirs in forest areas has brought on the destruction of some of the finest forests and biodiversity-rich unique ecosystems. Deforestation due to hydropower and mining projects are perhaps the greatest threats to biodiversity in India. Loss of habitat. So, in a nutshell, habitat loss, fragmentation and degradation of flora and fauna result due to rapid agricultural activities, uncontrollable extraction of natural resources, including mining, fishing, logging, and harvesting, and unplanned development activities such as human settlements, industry, and associated infrastructure. Habitat loss and fragmentation leads to the formation of isolated, small, scattered populations of species. These small populations are increasingly vulnerable to inbreeding depression, higher mortality, and are susceptible to extreme environmental events and consequently possible extinction. Also, human activities like poaching and hunting species, overexploitation of wild bioresources, atmosphere, land, water, and soil severely downgrades forest composition and quality, which lead to decline in quality of primary food and other sustenance resources for species and disturbance of natural rhythm of ecosystem.